Hello? Don't talk to the lady in black. Don't talk to her. She's the it. We call her the it. Be careful. She'll eat you up. Oh my God. Am I dreaming here? What's going on?
She needs help.
Get the... Gregory! You're ruining everything!
You need help.
He was just trying to fork you.
Oh.
Fork you.
Whoops.
Oh, hello,
Sorry,
my
that's the
dear.
line.
Isn't it a nice day? Yes, it is nice. Oh, I'm having a problem with my hand.
Yes, you are.
I can see that, lady. Can I help you? Well, yes. If you could come up and make some tea for me, I would appreciate that. I cannot do many things with this hand condition.
You know what that hand condition means in Italian?
Okay,
It's not
I'll
nice.
go with you.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, young one, whatever you are. Okay. Wow, this is getting...
Oh my.
Yeah, it is hard to hang these things up. That wasn't it. That was act one.
Act one, act one.
It's done. It would be really... It's really... It has